Are you leaving your job and looking at your COBRA health insurance? Hey, I'm Tommy at medicalinsurancetoday.com. COBRA is a direct extension of the work plan that you have. So if you're on a plan through whatever company at whatever price and whatever copay and deductible, when you leave, you're going to be offered an exact replica of that plan through COBRA. However, it's at the full cost of that policy. To explain a little further, when you're employed, an employer is required to cover half of the monthly cost of your insurance. So they're going to cover at bare minimum half. Many will cover more, but at minimum they're required to cover half if they offer benefits. And when you leave work or you're fired or for whatever circumstance you leave that employment, you're offered COBRA, lasts for 18 months. And it was originally designed for folks that had health issues. Now, the issue with COBRA is the expense. When you leave, you're now responsible for the full cost of that policy. You're not getting half covered from the boss or from the employment, and now you're responsible for all the costs, and it's really expensive. There's just no way around it. I would say that 95% of the people that we help that are leaving an employment healthcare plan and they're being offered COBRA, we save them a fortune compared to what they're paying in COBRA. It's typically a fraction of what that COBRA cost is by going to an individual and family market plan like we can offer you here at Medical Insurance Today. So it's definitely worth measuring out. There are certain circumstances where people say, well, I'm just paying it, I don't want to mess with it. And that's typically due to health issues. So if you have health issues, it's something to consider. However, that's something we work through with our consumers, is talking to you about your health, your prescriptions, your needs. Do you need a really, really solid plan and a PPO so you can continue to keep, a bunch of doctors? That's something we can talk through. It's not always about less expense, but typically for people, the expense is too crazy on COBRA to stay on it, and you can get better value in an individual plan. So if we can help you, if you're measuring out your COBRA, please get in touch with us, medicalinsurancetoday.com, and we look forward to serving you.